Welcome to the CapCut Masterclass, Free versus Pro, and the Great Export Mystery. Today, we'll help you unlock your full editing potential and troubleshoot that frustrating paywall. Edit anywhere, anytime. CapCut allows you to edit anywhere at any time. The rules of free and pro versions apply across the entire ecosystem. Whether you start a project on mobile, refine it on the web, or finish it on your desktop, your cloud space keeps your creative flow completely uninterrupted. The ultimate free versus pro showdown. Let's look at the ultimate showdown. The free plan offers 1 GB of cloud storage, expandable to 6 GB, with a max resolution of 1080p and basic AI and audio tools. The Pro plan jumps to over 100 GB of storage and supports 4K 60 FPS Ultra HD. It also unlocks advanced AI like vocal isolation, unlimited Pro label assets, and noise reduction. The unbeatable power of free. CapCut's baseline is a powerhouse. For $0, you get multi-track video and audio editing, highly accurate auto-captions, and 1080p high-quality exports. You also have access to thousands of standard templates and sounds, plus easy watermark removal. Just delete that ending black clip. Unlocking PRO massive storage and flawless 4K. Upgrading to Pro means never worrying about running out of room, moving from a restrictive 1 GB to a massive 100 GB of cloud space, perfect for heavy 4K B-roll. You also unlock Ultra HD exports at 4K resolution and 60 FPS for a buttery smooth cinematic look. Unlocking Pro, the advanced AI magic. Pro moves you into professional audio-visual generation. This includes next-gen AI engines like Seedream 5.0 and Nano Banana Pro for consistent AI image and video generation directly on your timeline. You also get one-click tools to instantly separate vocals from music or erase background noise. Unlocking Pro, the ultimate creative arsenal. Step up your production value with an ultimate creative arsenal. Pro gives you the trendiest advanced transitions and effects used by top creators, cinematic filters like teal and orange, and stylish commercial use fonts such as Modern Sans, Elegant Script, and Bold Display. The price of professional power. Regarding the price of professional power, the standard tier is approximately 1,080 Japanese yen monthly, or 9,900 Japanese yen annually. The Pro tier, offering the best value for advanced users, is roughly 2,180 Japanese yen monthly, or 19,800 Japanese yen annually. A 7-day free trial is available to see if these features match your workflow. The export trap explained. Have you ever wondered why CapCut lets you use a feature but won't let you export? That's the export trap. Because CapCut lets you preview everything for free, you can apply premium effects to see how amazing they look, but you must pay to actually render and save the final file. Spotting the culprit. The PRO badge. To save your video for free, you must hunt down the diamonds. The golden rule is simple. If even one element on your entire timeline has that Diamond Pro badge, CapCut will block your free export. Hidden culprit number 1. Effects and transitions. The first hidden culprits are often effects and transitions. It's easy to accidentally click a pro-badged trending item. Check your effects track, those purple or orange bars, and the small transition boxes between your video clips for any pro labels. Hidden culprit number 2, text and premium voices. Next, check your text. Your captions might be holding your video hostage if you used a premium commercial font, a glowing text animation, or a premium AI voiceover character in the text-to-speech settings. Hidden culprit number 3, invisible AI audio tools. The third culprit is invisible AI audio tools. Sometimes the Pro feature is something you hear, not see. Click on your audio tracks and check the Properties panel. If vocal isolation or advanced noise reduction is toggled on, your export will be blocked. The free fix, swap and export. If you're trapped by the paywall, here is your escape plan. The free fix. First, scan your timeline for those diamonds. Second, delete or swap the Pro elements with similar free alternatives, and turn off premium AI audio toggles. Once the timeline is 100% free of diamonds, the export button will work instantly. The final decision. Upgrade or swap. The final decision is yours. Upgrade or swap. Swapping to stay free is perfect if you have the time to find alternatives and don't mind 1080p limits. Upgrading to Pro is the best choice for daily creators who need to save time, require 100 GB of cloud syncing, and want absolute 4K quality for their audience.